Welcome back. Now, according to a first-of-its-kind survey done by the Ministry of Statistics, private sector capex is likely to witness a 25% lower growth in the current financial year. Sapna is joining in with more details on this. Sapna.
Absolutely. This is the first of its kind done by the Ministry of Statistics, and basically the sample size was pretty large, over 5,300 odd, private sector corporates. And mind you, these are the large corporates with a sizable net worth and a sizable capex plans for their own individual sectors. But what the survey throws up is the fact that as far as the intentions of capex are concerned, for the current financial year, there is likely to be a 25% drop. There is already a drop. That's what the survey shows in terms of the corporate sector intentions for capex for the current financial year. And the numbers are something like this: around 4.88 lakh crore is what they're planning to invest. The number was much higher than the 6 lakh crore, in FY25. So that's one big indicator. More importantly, out of those 5,380 odd sample size, 43% of the corporates do not have any capex plans or intentions as of now for FY26. Now, that's a big number that we're talking about. And as I just said, these are not small ticket or small time companies. These are all, net worth heavy companies. So that's a big number to look at. And what are those sectors where you may see some kind of capex not coming in, with basically mining and quarrying, electricity supply, gas, air conditioning supplies, then retail and wholesale trade, repairs of motor vehicles and motorcycles, these sectors. However, on the other hand, if you look at the sectors, so like three of them: education, health, and manufacturing, most important. Here, it's intended by the corporate sector that they plan to step up the investments quite a bit, as much as by 50 odd % year on year. So, there is a bit of a balancing act, but the fact remains, if it's 25% lower, the intention, then that's a number to watch out for. And 43% of the respondents are saying they have no capex plans in FY26. This is somewhat that ties up what Finance Ministry has said, that we need to watch out for the global development uncertainty, because that may actually impact the capex plans for India in the current financial year.
All right, Sapna, thank you so much for joining in with that update. By the way, Varun Beverages numbers were flashing on your screen just a few minutes ago. We'll take that and more forward on Halftime Report. But from Rima, me and the team that put the show together, it's a wrap on Trading Hour. Thank you so much for watching.